Soldier boy, Benny, oh. Why me lean that, why me rock? Superman that, oh. Yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Super friend, now why me jock? Jocking on them, hate them, man. When I do that, soldier boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing now. I'm jocking on you, I'm jocking on you. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you, cocking on you. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some baby.
I'm the man, they be looking at my dick, saying it's over. Hey, man, why we do? Man, nigga too. No, you can't do it like me.
No, don't do it like me. No, I said you gotta do it like me. Man, that damn was ugly. Soldier boy, I finna, I mean, like that soldier boy, Superman. I mean, crank that song, now what? 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 I'm too fresh, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me crank that Roosevelt? Super soaked it, super soaked it, super soaked it, super soaked it, super soaked it. I'm too fresh, now why me shuffle? Why me crank that soldier boy? Now Superman, Superman. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time.
When I met you, girl, my heart went knock, knock, knock. Now them butterflies in my stomach won't stop. And even though it's a struggle, love is all we got. So we gon' keep climbing to the mountaintop. Your world is my world, and my fight is your fight. My breath is your breath, and your heart. And girl, you're my one love, my one heart, my one life for sure. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time.
And if he knew ya, he would understand ya. That you're my man and you would never hurt me. No, let me come and see ya so that we can be alone. No. Baby, I know a place that we can go and be alone. As long as you make sure that you're safe to get me home. Don't worry, baby, I'm outside. You wanna be there. Shake like you're ready. Let's go. We're going up. We've been eating on the outside. We can go high. Let's go. So early knows the first night. We know you be my girl. Oh, baby. Oh, I swear I'll never leave you. All I have to you, by your side, I'll show you the way a girl needs her. You don't need a lot of money. I'm ready, come and pick me up. Pick me up. Baby, I know a place that we can go to be alone. Yeah. As long as you make sure that you safely get me home.
stomach won't stop.